everybody ready, and welcome to SS Multimedia. Today we will be learning multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's go to it. Objective. In today's lesson, we will be learning multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So I'm going to show, this is where I'm going to show you. So we're going to put, so basically two-digit numbers times by two-digit numbers multiplication is basically like this. 22 times 33. And basically two-digit numbers are basically numbers below 100 and above 10. Well, 10 is also a two-digit number. Or below 100 and above 9. So we're going to put 36 times 23. First thing what we're going to do is 6 times 3 is 18. So we put 8 here. We put 1 here. And then we put 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 plus 9 is supposed to go. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we just remove this right here and keep 10 right here. And after this, we're going to add them, but now we're going to do 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So we put. So I'm supposed to keep 12 here. I'm not. Once we made the first answer, we cannot keep in this place right here. And now, first thing, after this we need now 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So we take off 1 and put 7 here. And now we just have to add these. So since there's nothing here, we can just imagine it's a 0. This is an imaginary 0 right here. I'm just keeping here so it's like more. I'm not going to keep it like that so it's more. So 8 plus 0 or nothing, or 0 in your imagination, is 8. And 0 plus 2 is 2. So we put 2 right here. 1 plus 7 is 8. It's 8. And the answer is here. 828. And I hope you understand it. And we're going to do one more to help you understand these better. This is the last one I'm going to show you how to do. And in the next question, you have to try and do it. So 59 times 30. We have to start with 30, but so if you multiply thing with 0, it will be 0 instead. So we just put 0 in this. So we're going to 3. So 3 times 9 is 27. So we put 7 right here and 2 here. Now we're going to here. 5 times 3 is 15. And the 5 is here and the 1 is here. So I need to keep it here. And I'm keeping a plus here because that's where I normally do it. And just because this will be like a place to show that that you're not supposed to keep a number here. And we put here and 1 here, and of course we add it again. So 0 plus imaginary 0 is 0. And 0 plus 7 is 7. So we put 7 here. And the answer, and of course there's nothing here to add to these, so it's basically 17. So now let me it's 1,770. I hope you learned. Now we're going to the next. These are the problems you're going to try and do. So if you're thinking of doing these, pause the video right now and do all these problems by yourself. You can take the help of your parents if you're struggling. And when you're done, resume the video and I'm going to show you how to do them. And see if your answers are correct. So pause the video right now and do these problems. Now start. Okay, so you resume the video. So now we are going to do these problems together. And let's see if your problems are correct. And if you didn't do all correct, it's okay. It doesn't mean you have bad potential. So 6 times 5 is 30. So 0 here and 3 here. 3 times 5 is 15. So let's erase 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So we put 8 on top of here, and we put 1 here. And it's 180. Put plus here. This 6 times 2 is 12. So we keep 12 right here. Oh, let's do this. 3 times 2 is 6. So we have to keep 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 right here. Now we add all these numbers together. So 0 plus imaginary 0 is 0. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So we keep 1. Wait. We got 10, so I'm just keeping a small 10 right here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So we keep a 9 right here. And the answer is exactly 900. Let's go to the next one. So 5. So 5 times 0 is 0. 0. And 5 times 5 is 25. So we've just 25 right here. So then the answer is 250. Right. Now it's 3, and of course, 3 times 0 is 0. So then 3 times 5, or 5 times 3 is 15. So we put 15 right here. So you need to add these two numbers. So 0 plus imaginary 0 is a 0. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. So we put 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we keep 7 here. And 1, there's nothing to add with it. So we can just put 1 here. And the answer is 1,750. And now I'm going to do these problems. So it's 1 here. So it's 63 times 21. So start here. So 3 times 1 is 3. And of course 6 times 1 is 6. So it's basically 63 over here. Now we have to keep a 0 here. Imagine there's a 0 here. So now let's go to 2. So it's 2 times 3 is 6. So we put 6 right here. And after that, that is 6 times 2 is 12. So we put 12 right here. And it's 126. Well, you can say it's 1,760, but it would be right to call it 126. Now let's do it. So 3 plus imaginary 0 is a 3. And then 6 plus 6 is 12. So we put 2 right here and 1 on top of here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we put 3 here. And 1, there's nothing to add with 1. So we can just put 1. And the answer is 1,323. Now we're going to the last problem. And now, okay. So finally, the final problem. Let's do this together. So let's do it. 3 times 9 is 27. So we here and 2 over there. So, and then 6 times 9 is 54. So since 4 is here, we have to put 4 plus, so 4 plus 2 is 6. So we keep 6. So we keep 6 here. 6 here and 5 here. And it's 567. So now let's go to 5. So 5 or 3 times, okay, I'll just do it for 5 times 3 or 5 times 6. So 5 times 3 is 15. So we put 5. And to tell you that 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is the same one. So 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is 15. So put 1 here. And so let's do it. And then 5 times 6 is 30. So we keep, so it's 315 or, so let's add these. So 7 plus imaginary 0 is 7. And 6 plus 5 is 11. So we put 1 here and 1 on top of here. So 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So we keep 7 like this. And then there's nothing add to the 3. So we put 3 right here. And so it's 3,713. So if you did this, good for you. You're a really smart person and you're no doubt having good potential inside you. Those who didn't, that doesn't mean you have bad potential. It's just, you should just try, because even though you didn't do all correctly, making mistakes does matter. Making mistakes is what makes a person what they are in the future. So those who didn't, you'll also be great in the future. And if you try your best, you'll have no problem doing these problems. And so, if you enjoyed this video, like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. And click the bell and go to click always on the notification bell, so to let you know when our new videos come out. And bye!